Hi there. This is Mary from Pennsylvania Bigfoot Project, Monkey Wench. Sinead and I are with our other team member, Debbie. We're exploring an area that she found here in Butler County and checking out if there's any sign. It's a good area. There's tree bends and tree breaks, but they're all natural. Might be worth it to come out here at nighttime though. Light up a campfire and just sit for a while and see what comes in for a visit. But yeah, it's a good area. Got promised because on the drive in along the road, this person had a Bigfoot cutout at the entrance of their driveway, so that's always a good sign. Yeah, my regular videos will pick up again in a couple months. There's certain things going on in the home front that kind of ties me down, so I can't really get off for too long and too far, but a couple months should be okay, clear to go. All right, plus this is my first video with my new iPhone 12 Pro Max X, whatever the heck it is. It's supposed to be recording in Dolby Vision, which is cool. There's Sinead, my Bigfoot and dog in training. She did great last October when she had her encounter. Just watch the last video from Salt Fork State Park, where I tell you a little bit more about her encounter. But all right, I'll throw this up on the on YouTube and probably Rumble. I've got a channel on Rumble also under Monkey Works. This will probably be the first video for it. All right, over and out.